I get that not everyone can afford to do this, but I had an issue with my car a while back and it was fixed. But what impressed me was it took 2 days, which impressed me because it was only 2 days. But more impressively, I was given a loan car.
Yeah, that can be awesome, right? If the loan car is the difference between you being able to carry on with your day-to-day or not, then that's a massive value add. And that's awesome that your workshop was able to provide you with that service. Not everybody needs that value add. Some people have got multiple cars in the family, or they just can't afford to pay that extra premium service to get stuff like that. I've heard of some dealerships running concierge services, and that can be even more expensive. I mean, it's flashy and isn't it cool to have a drive-through, but there's a level at which you want to feel like you've got your value out of the transaction. And for everybody, that can be ever so slightly different. Understanding your customer and understanding what they need, that's how you actually make that tangible difference and add the value in. So it could be buy now, pay later. That's something that's really important for some people. They feel stretched budgetary and they know they've got that peace of mind that even if we are a bit past it this month, we can still get the car service and the family can be safe. That's a massive value add. I know for me, one of the things that I really try to impress on my team and also with customers that I've had in the past is you may be working on the car, but ultimately you're caring for the customer.
Customer relationships, we know that it's so important. There's no doubt about that. What place, what role does feedback play?